Hey guys, welcome back to Liz Does Travel. I took a trip to China for work. It was only 36 hours. I think it was super short, but I still wanted to share some of the footage with you guys. 18 hours later, made it. So tired. We were so exhausted from the travel. We immediately went straight to our hotel rooms, and this was the view from mine. Have you guys ever been inside a Tesla before? Because it is my first time and it's amazing.
Yeah. We're all freaking out.
The door situation though might be the coolest part. Clearly I was intrigued by this giant windshield and doing some very basic Instagram stuff. I had to work all day that day, so when we got out of the office it was completely dark. But I still wanted to share the room with you guys. Usually this curtain opens up, but I don't know, maybe since it's night it's closed. I'm leaving tomorrow. I've only been here for a little bit. I wanted to give you guys a room tour. This toilet totally punked me. It scared me when I first came here. It just opens up when you walk in. It's pretty amazing. And it has all these little different things, like you can flush it, a light flush, cleans your bottom after, and you can dry yourself after, and a wand sanitizer to clean the toilet. It's awesome. And a closet. It's kind of big, I guess. And one of my favorite parts of the room, which is this sick bathroom. I don't know if you guys can see because of the glass reflection, but there is like a fully enclosed shower bathtub situation. Let's see. So you have the option for like a waterfall shower head, the portable movable one, this amazing bathtub. Shout out to my Claire Sloan up there in the corner. And then there's the other part of the bathroom, it's two sinks. All right, let's see the bedroom. Sweet TV, this bed. I love the back of this bed. It's wood, but they like cut the wood out thinner in some spots, and they made like a flower design out of it, like a tree design. And there's like light behind there, so the light shines through where it's thinner, like the thinner part of the wood. It's really pretty. I thought this was so cute in here. There is a little tea time situation. Some snacks. I don't know what this is. Spicy peanuts, I think. Chocolate and some like Street Fighter Pringles. They have mini bar, some tea and coffee pots, and let's see, you just press blinds and it starts opening up. You can also make this sheer part go up a little higher also. And I got upgraded to a river view suite, but it's nighttime so you can't see the water. This is my view. Whenever I travel to China or Hong Kong, I'm always fortunate enough to stay near some sort of water, and whenever I do, they always have like cool light show stuff. Nothing like the Hong Kong light show, but I mean, it's still cool, still entertaining. Well, that was my room here at the Park Hyatt in Hangzhou. Hangzhou. Awesome, it's amazing, it's so beautiful. I highly recommend it if you're here. You get a great view. The food and the breakfast was actually really good. We had dinner here and with lunch, dinner, and breakfast. I had a really short stay, but the food is really good. They have a really good Western menu as well. We had burgers and steaks and this delicious mushroom truffle soup. Yeah, super good. Over here, come check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was a very short video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it.